So Asha only has 61 toothpicks, so let's figure out what the pattern is here. For figure 1, so if that's figure 1, okay, so this is the term number, this is the term value. So we have for the first term, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toothpicks needed. For the second term here, right, we have the original 6 we need here, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that's 11. So here, right, this is the 11. So up to here will be the 11. So all the way, this is the 11 we have, and we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Oops, we're adding 5 to 11, right? So that'll be 16. So then the pattern here is that we can add, right? We can add 5 each time, or if we look here, we can multiply the term number by 5 and add 1, right? Multiply the term number by 5 and add 1, we get 11. Multiply this by 5, add 1, we get 16. Okay, so if we keep going, at what point can we have 61 or somewhere close to 61? Right? What we can do is keep going all the way up until we have, let's see, 12 times 5. So term number 12, right, we'll have 12 times 5 plus 1 number of toothpicks required. Right? So that's going to be then 60 plus 1. So that'll be exactly 61. Okay, so then we can go all the way up to figure number 12.